Hey y'all, I'm outside today. I gotta clean up my mess. I'm telling you, this right here is way overdue. I'm gonna use this right here I got from Lowe's, y'all. It works pretty good. See, I know y'all say container gardening is easy, but look, I had to get all the way up here and clean all the algae and dirt and everything else I had because I want my plants to thrive. I want to be in a clean environment, right? So I had to get this mess cleaned up. I gotta get more container pots, replace pots, all that stuff. Y'all check on me. It's hard out here. This little tool right here, I got this stuff from Lowe's. It reached 24 feet. That helped me get up to the side. And don't it look good, y'all? Ooh, well, let me tell y'all something. This job right here, cleaning the back of the house, cleaning the deck, it's a lot of work. Y'all check on me, okay? I'm about a third of the way through. I'm gonna make it though. I got all this here over here to do and on the back side of that too. Y'all help me.